Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Magical Maiden and this is Magical Maiden's DIY Crafts. So today what I'm going to show you is something I was doing. My sister moved next door and she wanted to do a craft together. You know, something we could spend some time doing together. It's been raining like crazy this past month, so we can't really do much. Can't go in the pool, we can't go to the beach, we can't hang out outside. It's really boring. So we went to Hobby Lobby and they had like 40% off of diamond art. And it's called Diamond Darts. Diamond Dots. And I, of course, picked out a kitty cat. It was in this box and it's called the Midnight Cat. And if you're not familiar with what diamond art is, I'm showing you this. And I'm going to show you. I've been doing this. So here's what I got so far. Let me just adjust this a little. This is what I got done so far. Now you're going to see this you're going to roll it out. You're going to have to try to flatten it, but after a while it stays flat. Now there's a paper. See how it shimmers without that? But it gives you this plastic. See how that's like diamond art? It gives you this plastic because there's adhesive right here. Not over here on the outer parts, but on there. And you don't want hair and stuff to get to it when you're not working on it. So I'm going to keep this on it. It used to stick better, but I've been messing with this. Okay. And let me move this a little bit more so you can see. So I keep it covered. Now over here and over on this side, I'll put it like this. You can see that it has numbers with symbols and colors. That's because you get a kit like this. You get a bag, and you get all these little Ziploc baggies because they come in stuff like this, and you'll see the number and the other numbers that correspond with this over here. And then when you cut it up, you stick them in the Ziploc baggies so that, because you can't reseal these, you can't reseal them. So then when you're working on stuff, you put a little of your diamond dots over here. Now you have to make sure the faceted side's up. So what the faceted side is, you could tell, not the flat one, but the one that goes up, because that's the diamond-y. Okay, so now you get a little pot like this. Sorry, I got a bead stuck in there. And you unscrew it. And this is your thing that you use. What you do is you stick it in the wax a few times the first time. And then you get your diamond dots. Okay. And when you've got your diamond dots, you put them down. Now there's shapes. You gotta look for the shapes on here that correspond with each color and the number. So you're going to be looking at the shapes. So now all the black ones took these round black ones, and that's what you're gonna look for. So now later when you're done, you're gonna cut the excess, and then you're gonna frame this. You could also sew this onto a pillow. But this is the tool you use. Now they have lighted stands, so if you don't want to bend over doing this with your neck and everything, you can get a lighted stand and put this on. Now if you're going to do these frequently, and then you just keep everything here. I keep everything in there. And so you don't have to uncover the whole thing. You can cover it as you work on it. Like I did this section and then I would pull it down. And see how it shines like diamonds. And then when I was done with that end, I did this. And then I would go like that. But I try to keep it covered because you don't want the adhesive part to get hair and whatnot on it. And there it is so far. I'm not done. I still have things. So I do this at my leisure whenever I have time. That's what I've been doing or trying to do. And like I said, I got this at Hobby Lobby, and they have a whole bunch. They have really small ones and big ones, and you can make pillows and keychains. They also have them at Joann's Fabrics, I noticed. They're on sale now. They're having like a 50 to 60% sale. So, you know, I saw them at Michael's, but they're very pricey at Michael's, and there was no sale. So, I mean, I don't know, you can go in there, but it'll show you on the back if you're not sure. It comes with, well, let me see inside here. It comes with instructions also. Okay, it's very easy. Like I showed you, just look for the corresponding shape and color and the number. Say you wanted to work on an area like over here, you look at the symbol, you look for the symbol and the color and the number, and then you go get one of those bags that I showed you. And like I said, it comes with Ziploc baggies to put it in, and that's all it is. It's called Diamond Art, and it's diamond dots. This is diamond dots. See? Diamond dots, but it's diamond art. You're not painting anything. You're putting like faceted little, I guess you would call them beads, but you know, so you got to make sure that the flat side goes down. So when you're picking it up with your tool, you have to go to the faceted side, which is the diamondy part that's going to be facing up. You don't go to the flat side. So just make sure you do that. Otherwise, you're not going to get the sparkle and shimmer. So that's the craft that me and my sister have been doing. It's just something to pass the time away. We do it little by little, but if you look on sites, they have like a lot of extra pots of wax and the, you know, and the tool you're going to need. So if you break it or something happens, you could also purchase other ones. They have them online on Amazon and everything. And then they have different types. There's a site my sister saw where they have these big pieces of diamondy stuff and everything else. So we never did them before. She said she would buy me one so that we could do it together. But of course she finished it before me because I was busy. I had to do reviews. I was doing other videos. I had to edit it. It didn't feel good. I was busy cleaning. You know, I had things I was doing. So the days that I didn't get over there, she doesn't sleep well, so at night she was doing that. So she finished it, so I'm like, you know what, I'm just going to take mine home and do it at my leisure. So I'm almost done, and when I'm done, I'm going to look for a nice frame. Now you can attach these to the pillows. What you do is you just trim the excess and then attach, you know, sew it to a pillow. But I'm going to probably get a frame for this. And of course he looks like my cat Salem. Sort of like my cat Magic, but I love this. So I also got the cross stitch that I did a review for. I still have to work with that, and I'm going to be doing that once I'm done with this. So I hope you enjoy this. If you didn't see the cross stitch that I got, go look at my review playlist, which is on my YouTube channel here. And when you go to reviews, it should be the last review I did, or maybe the review before, because I think the review that you're going to see is, yeah, I did a bracelet review, which is very pretty. You should check that out. And before that, I did my cross stitch one. But this is called Diamond Art, Diamond Dots. Okay, so not being sponsored by anybody. This is just a craft I wanted to show you that you can do it yourself. It's fun, it's easy. You could turn them into nice art to hang on your walls, or you could actually turn them into a pillow. They even have little ones for like keychains and little tiny ones, like all kinds of stuff in the diamond art. So go check it out. Check it out online and all that. So that's all I wanted to show you. So if you like this video, give it a like. Share this with anybody that you know might be interested in a craft like this. And if you have any questions, please put it in the comments section, or if you just want to say hello. So I just wanted to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my videos. Bye.